Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Monday, so let's get started. We're going to start with the at-home Fly Babies. So on Monday morning, you're going to get up and you're going to do your morning routine and check your planner. Then you're going to put your children through their morning routine. When that's done, you're going to do a clutter check. Then you're going to start your laundry and go through an inch of your paper. After that, we're going to go right into the basic weekly plan. On Monday, it is the weekly home blessing hour. If you have children with you at home, help them learn by delegating the smaller tasks to them. If your kids are older, they can actually do the larger tasks. If your children are not homeschooled and they're at school, then you can ask them to do it when they get home from school, or you can give them some other little task. Nothing more than 10 minutes. But that's your weekly home blessing hour, or you can elect to do the whole thing yourself. Just remember, you have to find teachable things for your children to do. All right, then after that, we're going to do our zone. Now, our zone this week is the master bedroom, master closet, and master bathroom if you have one. So we're going to either work in there for 10 minutes doing one deep clean item. Remember, on Sunday when you're planning out your week, you look at the zone, you go to your list that you keep on what you would have somebody do in this room if money was no object, and pick 4 of those things and delegate those things to yourself during the week on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So today you'll have one of those little jobs to do, and your house will always stay like spring clean, okay? All right, so pick your 1 10-minute task. If you cannot do that because you still have clutter in your room, then instead you're going to do a 15-minute declutter, including completing the process of putting the garbage in the trash, putting the giveaway in the trunk or the back of the car, and putting up everything else that you have decided to keep and it needs to go in its home, okay? After that, you're going to do a lunch and another clutter check in your home, especially if you've just decluttered something, it's more vulnerable. You want to make sure you clutter check that 3 times a day along with everything else to make sure it's not recluttering, because these habits are going to be hard to make, and this is how you do this. Then after dinner, you're going to have your after dinner routine with the family, and then your before bed routine for yourself, including checking your planner, and then the before bed routine for your children. So that's what you're doing. Now we're going to go over to the payroll Fly Babies. Payroll, you're going to start the day the same way. You're going to do your morning routine first, including looking at your planner. Then you're going to do the children, put them through their morning routine. After that, you're going to do a clutter check, and then you're going to leave for work. At work, you're going to think about the delegation of the weekly home blessing hour. If you have children at home after school, or if you have children at home for whatever reason, maybe school hasn't started yet, you're going to delegate one little job to your children of the weekly home blessing hour or child. And then when you come home, the first thing you're going to do is inspect what you expect. Make sure it was done. Then you'll do a clutter check to make sure there's no just mindless clutter. Even you, who just came in the house, may have left some mindless clutter. And then you're going to work on your laundry, put your laundry in, and work on an inch of paper. After that, you're going to make dinner, and while it's simmering or holding, you're going to do your zone, the master bedroom. So you're going to go in your bedroom, and you're going to work in there for 10 minutes on one item that you've chosen to clean today, or less, or 15 minutes of decluttering. Set your timer, and when it's done, put away, give away, throw away. And then after dinner, you're going to have your after dinner routine with your family. One more clutter check, checking all the places that are vulnerable, and then our before bed routine for yourself, checking your planner, and then a before bed routine for the children. That's the plan. Now there's lots of time in there, despite the fact that it sounds like I've said a lot. There's lots of time in there for fun things with your family. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner and always remember that you are beautiful.